Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making some brownies with my brother and we're going to be baking them inside of my Easy Bake Oven. So here are the ingredients. If you forget the ingredients in this video, you can always just check in the comments. So you're going to need some flour, some cocoa powder, sugar, some salt, baking soda, some milk, and some butter. And if you want some sprinkles on the top when you're done, go ahead. So first you're gonna pour in some flour. So just gonna pour that in. So Miller, can you please hand me the cocoa powder? Thank you. Let's pour that in. Come on, get all of it out. Okay. Now, Miller, can I have some sugar? Thank you. It's looking very yummy so far. Do you know where the salt is? Thank you. Okay. 3 more ingredients. You knew the first one. Okay, now we're gonna pour some milk in. Go ahead, give me that butter. Thank you, Miller. So I'm gonna use this spoon to kind of help me take off the butter, because it kind of sticks. Okay, so, oh, there's a little more. Okay, so now we're gonna mix it all together. There's some butter sticking to my spatula. Make sure you mix it all together so you can't really see any of the flour or stuff. Does it look yummy, Miller? Yeah. I'm just gonna mix for like 1 more minute or something. I'm just gonna mix this cocoa powder in and then we'll be all done. Okay, so it looks really yummy, but we can't eat it yet. So now I'm going to spray my container that I'm going to put in my oven. So open this. I'm going to spray just a little bit. So Miller, can you please go put this away? Thank you. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna spread the brownie mixture flat inside of the little pot that you have. So we didn't have enough of it, so we just did a little square. So now we're gonna actually put it into our oven. Make sure, if you're using a real oven, make sure you use help from your parents because the oven's hot. So now I'm just gonna put it in this little hole right here and I'm gonna shove that in with this. There, now we're gonna wait for 15 minutes. Okay friends, so now it's time to check it out. So we gotta push it all the way down, and then we've gotta grab it from here. There. Oh. Make sure you don't touch the pan because it's gonna be very hot. Okay, now I'm gonna put some sprinkles on the top. Okay, now I'm gonna cut it in half with the knife, but be careful when you're using knives because you could cut and hurt yourself. I'm gonna use this to hold the pan because the pan is very hot. This looks very good. Come on, cut it in half. There. Now I cut it in 4 pieces. Now I'm gonna add some sprinkles. These look very good. A little bit on each brownie. Or each piece. Oh, that was a lot. Here. Okay, Millie, you can take a piece and put it on your plate. Oh, there. Now it's time to test it out. It's very good. Millie, did you enjoy it? How was it?
I did.
Do you want more? Okay, you can have more. The one with so many sprinkles. Lucky. Oh no! Okay, bye friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. See you in my next video. Bye!